So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit paragraph spacing here on Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead and type in paragraph spacing as an example, type this in a few times just like that. That's paragraph 1, paragraph 2 is just like that. Now, if you want to change the spacing or edit the spacing, it's pretty simple. I'm going to go to the top left here, press on Format, then go to where it says Line and Paragraph Spacing, and then scroll down to where it says Custom Spacing or Add Space Before Paragraph, Add Space After Paragraph. So you can go ahead and do that right there if you want to do that. Once again, you can go to Paragraph Spacing, add space before paragraph. You can do that as well. You can also go to Format right here and go to Custom Spacing. And then before paragraph spacing right here, you can go ahead and do 5 and 5, press apply, and it'll go ahead and sort of edit it that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can edit paragraph spacing on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.